Tasha.
I need to turn the heat
Tasha.
up.
No. Tasha, I swear to God, that ain't no regular fire. Tasha, that ain't no regular fire. What's wrong with you? Tasha, you gotta be making doodle stew and shit.
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. Now you see your girl in the same outfit, so your girl is currently getting Brock right after he gave me quick comeback, Team Tasha period. Before we get into it though, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new. Also make sure you smash that post notification bell so you don't miss none of the bangers and you catch us in the live premieres. You gotta make that bell go ring, ding dong. Hey, riggedy, ding, ding, dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Shishi, Santonio Smith, Shantae Williams, Q Hurd, and Candy Kelly. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now look, a lot of y'all saw that fart spray prank we did. That shit, fart spray with the windows locked, and went viral on like Facebook and Instagram, and everybody was like, you should have did it with the heater on. You should have did it while you was blasting the heat. So that's what your girl finna do. Something real quick, but still a freaking banger. Brock just got me with acting like a driver instructor or some shit like that. He is currently in the smoke shop. So when he come back out, I got my handy dandy fart spray that your girl like to keep on her. I got me some fart spray and we just gonna blast the heat. It's already hot as hell outside. So we gonna blast the heat and we gonna spray this fart spray and we're gonna get Brock's reaction. Y'all already know it's gonna be a freaking banger. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, and let's get straight into it.
One long angry line later.
I prefer fart spray, y'all. Hide it over here. He thought he was getting somebody earlier. Here this nigga go. Zam! You was in there talking away?
Huh?
Mr. Anderson, you was in there talking away?
Oh, you want another driving test?
No, we don't want your cockeyed ass back. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, these windows up. I'm getting a little chilly. I ain't even gonna lie.
Make sure you put your seatbelt on.
I am.
I was beating Mr. Anderson, you funny looking motherfucker.
Well, I don't want that nigga to come back. I'm trying to ignore him.
Bro, why the hell you putting the heat on?
Cause I'm cold. I should have wore a sweater. I don't know why. You think I'm getting sick?
The hell's if you cold today? Yes. 92 degrees. Oh!
I'm cold as super cold.
Okay, get your shit together, bro.
Okay, well let me leave the window. Brock, I said I'm cold. Why would you? I'm putting your safety locks on. I said I'm cold. What the hell?
Playing Tasha, I smacked that your ass. Tasha, unlock the window.
I'm not unlocking the window. I said I'm cold, Brock. Why would you roll the window down?
Tasha's 92 goddamn degrees, bro.
Okay, but I'm gonna get sick. You want me to get sick? You can't get sick from the heat.
Well, hurry up and get my ass home and get out the car with your sick ass.
Sure.
I
am trying.
Smoke my backwoods.
Get this corner.
Damn, they packed like mud.
Who packed?
Damn church. Everybody at church today.
Oh yes, this heat.
What's that? Ow!
I pooed it. I'm sorry.
Stop.
I pooed it.
Open the door. Open the door.
My bad. I pooed it. It's not that bad.
Oh,
shit.
Oh! No! God, please, no!
Don't do too much. It
Tasha,
don't smell that damn bad.
Tasha.
It do not smell that bad. Don't do too much.
Tasha, you got the heat on this shit. What's wrong with you?
told
And
you.
Tasha,
I got the chills. Brock, close the Brock, close the door.
God damn, Tasha, what the hell wrong with you?
I told you, my stomach.
No, you
I got the chills and now my stomach feel funny. I think I'm getting, let me turn this heat up some.
You got the
I'm
chills
just
and
freezing.
diarrhea?
Yeah, I don't have diarrhea yet, but my stomach is bubbling.
Nah, you need to check your panties, man.
It is bubbling.
That shit was a shot. That wasn't just no air came out that
No,
motherfucker.
that wasn't no shart. That wasn't no shart.
You sure?
It was a fart. It just stank.
Smell
I
like-
thought it smelled like one of them sick farts, huh? Like, oh, bitch, you getting sick.
Oh.
It's one of them farts, huh?
Okay, turn the heat down.
Oh my
You've
God.
been boiling the goddamn fart. What's wrong with you?
I'm cold though. I told you.
Okay, your ass is up in here tripping.
Brock, we almost home. You always complaining. We almost there. Stop tripping.
Okay, can you hurry your ass up, goddamn?
I'm driving the speed
You farting
limit.
and shit. You got up.
I'm driving. You come on. You can go. Come on.
Oh,
Let them go. Go ahead and take my turn.
Oh! The hell we been eating? I told y'all she needs to start eating that fruit, babe. You need to start eating some fruit.
I do need to eat more fruit, but it's not that. I'm telling you, I'm feeling sick. My stomach don't feel right. And now I'm cold and ooh, this heat feel good. This heat feel good.
Okay, look, calm your ass down, bro. That guy, turn this shit down, son. God, turn this shit down, son.
Oh, I'm gonna turn right here.
Let me out this motherfucker!
Brock, what's wrong with you?
Tasha!
I need to turn the heat
Tasha,
up.
shit! No, you shit. I swear to God, you shit. That ain't no regular fart. Tasha, that ain't no regular fart. What's wrong with you? Tasha, you gotta be making doodle stew and shit. Tasha, you making doodle stew.
I'm not.
You got it up here. Tasha, you got it up here 200 degrees up in this motherfucker.
You gonna take it out on me because I don't feel good. I'm already not feeling
Hey, roll down the window.
You gonna make me feel worse? No, because you're trying to let my hot air out. Close the door. You let my hot air out. It's cold to the mud. Brock.
No, Tasha.
Close the door,
Tasha, you got
Brock.
some tissue in here?
Close the door, Brock.
Tasha,
I'm
I swear
not
to
driving
God.
with the door open, Brock. Close the door.
Tasha, get me home, man.
Close it. Close it.
Tasha, get me home. Get me home. Get me home. Get me home.
Always doing too much.
Tasha, I swear to God. Tasha, you's a nasty motherfucker. Tasha. Why you shouldn't have went when the hot box your shit in the hot ass goddamn car? Oh! I don't give a damn about your code. I'm about to get about this motherfucker, man.
What you getting out for?
Why am I getting out the car?
You act like you ain't smelled my farts before. Oh, that one. Oh, that's the one right there. Oh, that one. That was definitely some air over. That shit went right on over. Oh my God. Oh, I shouldn't smell like that.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
That ain't even right.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
You don't. I got the heat on.
Oh!
Help!
Oh!
Door.
Oh no!
Brock.
Trying to hit the counter. Let air go through the smoke. You don't want to roll down the damn windows.
Close the door.
Roll down the window.
Okay. Close the door.
I can't talk.
I'm gonna roll your window down a little bit.
Hey, roll the window down.
I'll roll it down a little bit.
Why you got it so hot up in
There you
here?
go. I cracked it.
Turn this shit down, bro.
No, it's cold.
Turn it. It's
Turn
cold.
the heat up.
Tasha, you need to take your motherfucking
Turn the
fever.
heat up.
Tasha,
Oh, am I
Tasha,
sweating? Are you sweating?
Don't touch me with your
Oh
shit
my
running booty
God.
having ass. Tasha, don't touch me with your shit running booty having. I'm
Ooh.
Tasha, swear to God.
This heat don't feel good to you? Oh my God, this heat feels lovely. I'm feeling good today. Really, really good today.
Tasha, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Yes.
Pull up right here. Pull up right here.
No, Brock, I'm trying to get us home because I think I gotta go.
Pull
No, I'm trying to make it to the toilet. You trying to make a bitch shit on herself. I'm trying to get to the toilet.
Tasha, I'm gonna bring your ass to porta potty. Sit your ass down. I'm gonna order your ass to porta potty. Sit.
You can turn.
Pull over.
Turn. Come on,
You gotta take it this motherfucker.
Brock, you over
Turn the goddamn air down. What the fuck's wrong with you, man? It's hot as hell.
Stop turning my air down, Brock. Stop turning my heat down. Stop turning my heat down.
Stop turning my goddamn nostrils up.
Oh my God, is that coming from me? Are you sure you ain't pooting too? Oh, it got in my mouth.
No, Tasha.
It got in my mouth. You sure you didn't add to that? That ain't all me.
Tasha, if your ass smell like this, bro,
That ain't all me.
you gotta go get your colon
That
cleaned.
cannot be all me.
You need to go get your colon rinsed out, man.
I refuse to believe that whole thing right there was me, bro.
No, hell no. Y'all
I
large
refuse
detention
to
fucked up.
believe.
Your large detention fucked up, Tasha. No. Let me out.
Okay, I'm gonna drink. You right. I should drink more.
I'm walking.
Bro,
Let me out here.
close the.
I'm walking.
Open my
I'm
motherfucking door.
I'm pitching my nipples.
Close the door.
Well, turn the heat off this motherfucker.
No,
Take the
I'm
lock off the
cold.
windows.
Close the door, bro. Oh my God, you do too much.
Tasha, it's hot as hell.
We almost home. We right at the corner. Chill out. You hot? You think we catching a cold? I think.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
We might
Don't
have
touch me.
fevers. Let me feel your hand.
Tasha, you either got a flu or a piece of shit on your goddamn hand. Either one I don't want on my body. Don't touch me, motherfucker. What's wrong with you? You nasty as They lease it up.
Oh yeah, I got that. Might be a shark right there. Oh, that one might be a shark.
I'm out.
I gotta check my panties on that one.
I'm out.
Oh my God. That cake.
That's it, man. Come on,
I
man.
refuse to believe that.
I'm out.
That cake. Wait, where are you going, Brock?
I'm about to get some wipes, wipe your ass. I swear to God, you done shit on yourself.
I don't think I should. Okay, I'm coming. Here I come.
Tasha, check your goddamn drawer.
I'm finna check.
Oh!
Yeah, okay. Here,
Check your fucking drawer.
Stop, I'm trying to get the shit so we can get out.
Oh,
God
no,
damn, take the bag.
No.
Brock, take the damn bag. You doing too much. You like that damn discombobulated from a damn fart. That fart was not that damn bad. Shit.
I'm not playing around.
Just a little air over
shit in my goddamn car. You shit in my goddamn driver's seat. What's wrong with you?
See, I got my cute dress on too. Oh, I hope I didn't shorten my dress. Damn, I like this dress. I'm gonna wear it again. I'm just gonna wash it out a little bit. Oh. Okay, you got everything? You got all your stuff?
Turn the car off and get out my goddamn car, bro. Tasha,
I'm finna get out.
Tasha, you didn't shit on yourself, my nigga.
I didn't shit on myself, bruh. I know I
You don't smell that shit?
It don't feel wet. You know when you shart, you usually feel the wetness. You like, oh shit, that wasn't a shit.
Well, that must be some powdery
shit.
You got some powdery shit or something. Something came out that motherfucker. That ain't just air. That's not just air. What's wrong with you? No. Oh, you got the motherfucker.
What the fuck? Get out, boy! Oh my God!
I'm out. Move.
Babe! Let me out. Stop playing with me. Stop playing, bro. Oh my God. Help! Help! I can't get out! I'm stuck! You play too much. Stop playing. When pranks backfire, huh?
I play too much.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
No.
Because when I did the last fart spray on you, they was like, you got to do it with the heater on. Bitch, suffocating in here. No, it wasn't. Where's the fart spray? Where the hell did the fart spray go? Look, fart spray.
I don't believe you.
I got fart now.
Dude, I don't believe you.
What you want? What you want?
You gross, bro. Let me see.
No, because I don't trust you. No.
Let me see this.
No.
Let me see this.
No.
Let me see this.
No.
Oh, that's you. That ain't no damn fart. That's how you normally smell.
No. I normally feel you a hater. Rocket's a hater, y'all, because we got that. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, because it was a freaking banger. You know how your girl get down. Period. Team Tasha down in the comment section below. Until next time, y'all.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Close.
No, move. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing now.
Hotbox this motherfucker.
No. Did you really fart? This nigga really farted. Oh! This motherfucker really farted. This motherfucker really trapped me in here with a motherfucker.